In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove template from GoDaddy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove or change a specific template that you have loaded into the GoDaddy website builder. So keep in mind that for this video, I'm gonna go over this process on the GoDaddy website builder. First, open a specific website that you would like to work on and then choose the option to edit. You will be redirected to the website builder itself, and now you have two options regarding templates. As you might be aware, when you add a new section, you will be able to browse through templates here. So if you select, for example, a contact template and you load it here so people can access a contact us page on your specific website, and let's say you want to remove this, all that you have to do is click this settings icon and then delete the entire section. This is going to remove it altogether. However, you can also highlight the section, click on it once, and change specific options about the section. So for example, I can remove all images on this one and they will be gone. Now I only have the title here, and I can add images if I want to later. But the point is, if you want to remove a template altogether, just click on the section that relates to the template and you will be able to delete it. Now, alternatively, if you go over to the theme category, so using this menu at the right side of the screen, if you select theme, you will be able to choose try a new look, and once again, you can browse through templates offered by GoDaddy on the website builder tool. You can browse through all of these, and once you find one that satisfies you, you might be prompted to go ahead and select it. But if you notice that it doesn't look good, or that you would like to remove it, while there's no direct way to go back to the one that you just had, all that you have to do is click try a new look once again, and then browse through all of the templates once more. And of course, you can change individual aspects about the template. So if you don't like how certain stuff looks, just go ahead, change the font, change the color, the main accent, the specific sections, and so on. The point is, all that you have to do to actually remove a template is to just go ahead and change individual aspects or substitute it with another option that they offer. To my knowledge, there's no option to simply remove it altogether. So you either have to go over to try a new look and select one to override the current template that you have, or alternatively, if you want to remove templates related to sections, just highlight a specific section that you added. So I'm going to add a new one as an example. And once the section is here, click the three dots and then delete it in its entirety. Or go over to individual things about the section and remove them as you see fit. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove a template from GoDaddy. If this video helped you or answered your questions about the GoDaddy website builder, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.